Students, now you will see some very basic points in the physics, and the first is speed. You know, speed is nothing but the distance traveled by an object in a given time. Distance traveled by an object. It can be, bus or car, etc. But we write object or moving object, both are same. Object in a particular time. So time is particular, that the the distance have been covered, distance have been traveled, and so time has been taken. So if there is a bus and moving, bus is moving. This is the point A, and bus is moving to point B, and here there is the bus, and let me draw the wheel. I don't know whether driver is present or not. So between A and B, if the distance is 200 meter, it is distance is from A to B, it is 200 meter, and the time is say time is let it be 5 seconds. Time is 5 seconds. So how we can know the speed? So speed is distance traveled upon time taken. So time taken, distance traveled, how much? 200 meter, and it is 5 seconds. Is that clear? So we'll divide 200 by 5. 200 by 5. So what will be answer? What will be answer? We divide 200 by 5. Now, first very important point, unit. Say we say kilometer, we say minute for time, we say hour, we say second. So first, you can divide 200 by 5, so you will get the answer, no problem. So, but unit is the quantity through which we express any calculation. So it is meter. So it is meter, and here per second. This is called unit. जैसे टाइमिंग, we say that मैं 1 किलोमीटर वॉक करता हूँ 10 मिनट्स के अंदर, तो क्या हुआ कि 1 किलोमीटर अपॉन 10 मिनट्स. So kilometer upon 10, 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. So here we say meter per second, or it can be written as meter, and here, because here if in calculation we write like this in our classes, but you have to know this. So either in meter per second, and this is called as meter inverse or meter per second, and come to this, so divide by this, so it will be 40 meter per second. More light about the speed, and I am going to tell about the type of speed. What are the possibilities? So basically by speed we mean how fast an object is moving. Literally meaning of speed is how fast an object is moving. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई भी बॉडी कितनी तेज मूव कर रही है किसी जगह पर, किसी प्लेस के अंदर, किसी प्लेस के ऊपर, सो वी कॉल इट द स्पीड. सो स्पीड इज कंसर्न with the ability of a body how fast is moving, or in the reverse case how slow it is moving. So both. Now the type of the speed, so it can be of two types. First is instantaneous. Instantaneous, like so we have the instant anything, instant masala dosa. So all the things are ready. So similarly, what instantaneous speed and second is average speed. So instantaneous speed means at the moment, at the moment, like we prepare masala dosa, just open the packet, mix it, prepare. This is instant. Instant noodles, instant gulab jamun. So we prepare as it is, just open the packet, boil the noodles, within 5 minutes it is over. So same is instant. So instantaneous means at the moment, like you all must be knowing, in the vehicles, two-wheeler, four-wheelers, and all the automobiles, all the engines which are moving, they have a speedometer. They have speedometer. The speedometer gives the instant speed. The speedometer gives the instant speed. And so you must be knowing. Suppose see the speedometer has a needle, and here some markings are there. So that will be 0, then it will be 10, then 20, then 40, and then it will be 80, and let this be the 100. So it gives into here if the needle, this is the speedometer, if the needle is 20, so you must be knowing it is written hour. Hour is written, so it will be here hour. So this is, it is in kilometer hour. So what we say that this reading is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. That the vehicle in which this speedometer is there is moving at 20 kilometer per hour. Now coming to average speed. So average speed is the distance traveled, complete distance from one place to other place, that is called as average distance. So larger distance is traveled, and so we can say here it is starting at the 10, and here it at the last point it reaches to 30 kilometer, that will be 10 kilometer, and here it reaches to 30 kilometer, and it is, this distance is being traveled in 1 hour. So how we can find the average distance? So average distance, so average speed, it is equal to, so 30 minus 10 upon 1. So basically 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. So 20 kilometer per hour, or 20 kilometer hour inverse. So this is the meaning of instant and average speed. Very important part about the speed. So speed has no direction. Speed has no direction. Keep in mind, speed has no direction. Very important part is velocity. So velocity is concerned with the direction. Velocity is concerned with the particular direction, and it may be defined as the rate at which a body moves. The rate at which a body moves. The rate at which a body moves in a particular direction. So velocity has direction, speed has no direction. only the measurement of the distance in speed, no direction. But yet velocity has, a direction, and so this is the basic difference between velocity and the direction. So first, if uh, a car is moving at moving in a direction particular direction and has traveled 440 kilometers 440 kilometers in 8 hours, particular direction. So it can be written north or south, east or west. So this has to be mentioned, and 8 hours. So here it will be 440 kilometer upon 8 hours. So we'll divide, and so after division I will get this. Let me divide. So it will be 55 kilometer per hour. So this is about the velocity. So velocity has direction, speed has no direction. Next topic is displacement. Displacement just displays the change in position. So how change in position? See, I am standing here and I am moving to this side. So this is my original position and this is my final position. Again, now this is original position if I am moving to this side. So this is displacement. I am having displacement from one point to other point. So this is, now displacement may be defined as distance traveled in a straight line. Distance traveled in a straight line or a particular direction. It can be in a particular direction also. So distance traveled in a particular direction from a starting point. So there must be some starting point. Now there is a big room, there is big hall having all the sides equal to 10 meter. With a big hall, all the sides equal to 10 meter. And see, I have drawn a cartoon. Let it be any boy, like Pokemon. So Pokemon is moving here in this direction, and so this point is 0. This is starting point, and first it will travel this 10 meter, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then ultimately comes here. So here the time taken is 20 seconds. Time taken 20 seconds. So here first we see about the speed. So speed is equal to 40 upon 20. 40 meter upon 20 seconds. So it will be how much? 2 meter per second. 10, 10, 10, 10. 40. Time is 20 seconds. So it will be 2 meter per second. This Pokemon has taken or traveled or has a speed of 2 meter per second. Now coming to a very important point about the velocity and displacement. Now both the quantities will be 0. In this case, both the quantities will be 0 because from this point the Pokemon is moving and again has joined to this point. So again, initially it has direction, but later on it comes to the same point. So we say that in this condition, there is no velocity, no displacement, because both are related to the direction. Once again I am repeating, velocity and displacement will be 0 in this case because both are related to direction. And here there is no direction as it has started its journey and again has trying to displace. So velocity and displacement will be 0. Very important part in physics, a scalar and vector quantity. So quantity means any measurement, any value. So the scalar quantity may be defined as the quantities or the measurements having only magnitude. There is only magnitude or there is value but no direction. So scalar quantities are directionless. Scalar quantities के अंदर कोई भी direction नहीं होती. They have only the value, that certain value, like speed. Speed has, just now you have seen, speed has no direction. Then time has also, and distance. They are scalar quantities. There are many more, but you know the basics: speed, time, and distance. There is only one aspect. What is time? Now this is say it is 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. or 12 noon. Similarly, speed. So 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. Distance is there. Time is there, but there is no direction. Similarly, distance. This has traveled, distance. So this is one. Now other is vector quantity. So quantities having both magnitude and direction. Both having magnitude and direction. They are called as vector quantities. That is, direction is must along with this measurement, along with the value. Like example displacement. First in displacement there is some particular direction. Displacement. See here, I am here. So I am moving in a particular direction. This is displacement. Then coming to acceleration. Coming to acceleration. Then coming to force. Force is also force. See, I am striking this board. So I am applying force in a particular direction. I am pointing toward this. It is I am applying force here. This is force. Force has a particular direction. Then momentum. Momentum is also a quantity. Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Quantity is acceleration. Acceleration, we have accelerators in all the, automobiles, car, bus, all accelerator. We increase or decrease the speed. So acceleration there, we say accelerator. So acceleration may be defined as change in velocity. Change in velocity. So it can be with respect to second or it can be with respect to meter, etc. So acceleration may be defined as change in velocity. Change in velocity in a particular instant of time. So let the example, there is a car moving from A to B. So at this point A, it has this speed 10 meter per second, and up to point B it has reached to 30. So what will be the acceleration? And here time taken is, time taken is, let it be 4 seconds. So 30 minus, this is 100 velocity. This is starting or initial. So 30 minus 10 upon 4. So here it will be meter. So meter per second square, because here this second and here this second. So it will be 20 upon 4. So it will be 5 meter per second square.